He did have some ominous words, Ash. On radio with Ben Fordham, Scott Morrison said 2021 would be a tough year for many. I guess a lot of us were looking for some relief after a tough 2020. Despite the presence of a vaccine, health, economic and employment concerns will remain issues, as well as the prospect of local lockdowns and more state border closures, keeping families apart, not to mention the international border closures. I mentioned yesterday the PM and Health Minister Greg Hunt had been refreshingly honest in their press conference announcing the approval of the Pfizer vaccine, saying they could not really tell us how things would go, but would keep us updated. There is a view in government, Ash, that given the uncertainties, honesty and transparency is the best policy. Let's hear from Scott Morrison yesterday and this morning.
There'll be swings and roundabouts on this process, and you can expect that. And what you can also expect is for us to explain those as they occur.
This year too, Ben, it's going to be a tough one. I can't pretend that it won't be, but we'll come through it the same way we always do, together.
So honesty, just being straight out there, not trying to gild the lily. That's the policy, it seems, of Scott Morrison coming into this year. As if to illustrate that uncertainties remain, we had the effective closure of the border to New Zealand yesterday afternoon, as you know, based on just one case of a worrying variant of COVID-19 being detected in Auckland. That restriction was put in place for 72 hours. My information this morning, Ash, was that there's genuine hope in the federal government that ban will only go for the 72 hours. No evidence of more cases in New Zealand, so likely to be lifted soon, thankfully.
Yeah, best of luck to the Kiwis on that one.